This work is about Elizabeth Fullhame and her work on catalysis. I decided to talk about her because I think it is important to give visibility to women in history, since there are very few mentioned in history and science. Elizabeth Fullhame was a Scottish chemist from the 18th century. There's not much known about her more than who she was wife of and her work. She is mostly recognized for inventing the concept of catalysis. However, she also discovered photo reduction. In 1794, she wrote a book called An Essay on Combustion with a View to New Art of Dyeing and Painting, wherein the phlogistic and antiphlogistic hypotheses are proved erroneous, where she explains her experiments that led her to make her discoveries. This book was traduced into German and published in the USA in 1810, where it was criticized because of the fact that the author was a woman. This was recognized as a major step in the history of science by several men, as well as questioned by many others. Catalysis is an increase in the rate of a chemical reaction thanks to a catalyst. Fullhame's job inspired people such as Jacob Berzelius to continue studying on this subject. This discovery was not only important for chemistry but also biochemistry, as it was the key for enzymology, that is to say, the study of enzymes. So, as we can see, this amateur, how she was sometimes called, did a really important progress in science. Sadly, in some books there's a man, Buchner, to whom it is given the whole credit for discovering catalysis instead of Fullhame, even though Fullhame's job was done earlier. This is why it is important to know what women like Fullhame did in history.